What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this portrait photo to become this one. As you can see, on the left side will be the portrait of the beautiful woman over here, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into this surreal, spooky, and also still in the Halloween vibe. How to do that and how to create this detail. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before to create or transform this picture was the Nano Banana, and here I will use it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to create it from the Google Gemini AI, then it is pretty okay guys, and of course don't forget to do the login first with your email, and I will share you the prompt into this video. And here I will access this Nano Banana from this Google AI Studio, and the next step is I would like to upload a picture. And after that, I will put this prompt into this section. You can simply screenshot it, but also don't worry because I will also put this into the description box. Well, basically, the prompt would be like this: a surreal Halloween portrait of a young woman or the person in this picture, if you would like to modify it, with a spooky landscape and haunted elements intricately integrated into her face like this, and neck as if her skin is a canvas revealing these scenes. As you can see, this is like the graveyard and it is very spooky. And after that, you can also add the detail like the twisted gnarled trees grows from her hair and shoulders. This is the trees, and also their branches resembling skeletal fingers like this, and include the elements like the glowing ominous eyes in the landscape. This is the eyes, for example, and also a full eerie moon here, and possibly a hint of a gravestone or crumbling ruins. And after that, you can add the detail again, like the style is detailed and artistic with the dark atmospheric colors and hints of glowing green and purple and deep orange, and also contrasting with her features and give her haunting or melancholic expression. So this will be the prompt, and after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, this is the same prompt that I used before to transform this picture to become this one. However, if you would like to use it, so it will show you the another result, and if you would like to get the another update or another picture, so you can simply click rerun this turn and kindly wait for the another picture over here. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and also don't forget to try this prompt, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also you can let us know if this prompt will work for you and what is it look like in your version. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.